Animal fact, kangaroos can't walk backwards. Food fact, peanuts are not nuts, they are legumes. Science fact, glass is a liquid, but it moves so slowly that it appears solid. Space fact, the footprints on the moon will remain there for millions of years due to no wind. Language fact, E is the most commonly used letter in the English language. Historical fact, Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the building of the Great Pyramid. Body fact, your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Plant fact, the world's largest flower, Rafflesia, smells like rotting flesh to attract pollinators. Geography fact, the shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896, lasting just 38 minutes. Technology fact, the first computer mouse was made of wood and had only one button.